in 10th class maths, pair of linear equations in two variables, that is 3.2. In 3.2, first question, fifth bit, let us learn. Yes, here when you see the problem at random, you may feel some sort of fear or allergy because roots are there. In order to eradicate or eliminate or take out the roots, you feel somewhat difficult. But it is very, very easy. If you listen, it is very, I make it very easy. Yes, it is first equation given, it is second equation given. Isn't it? Let us take first equation. Root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0. We have to find out the x value. We have to substitute in another equation. Yes, root 2x is equal to 0. When comes to this side, plus 3y becomes minus 3y. Therefore, the x is equal to minus only 0 minus root 3y means minus root 3y, and root 2 into x means here into, that means multiplication symbol. When comes to this side, it becomes division. X is equal to minus root 3y by root 2. It is, suppose, let us see, it is third equation. What we have to do? We have to substitute in the another equation in order to get a real value. It is not real value at random. The two roots are there, isn't it? Let us take second value. Root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0 is the second value, second equation. Let us substitute x value in second equation. Right now, second equation like that. Yes, now let us substitute. Root 3, let us write root 3. X value how much? You see, minus root 3. X value how much? This value. Yes, what is root 3x means? Root 3 into x, isn't it? Minus root 3y by root 2 is the x value. I didn't write anything here, but x value simply I substituted minus root 3y by root 2, isn't it? As usually, let us write minus 8 root 8 y is equal to 0. Now we have to simplify. You see, if we want to add the subtractions or minus the subtractions, what we have to find? As usual, you say it, we have to find the LCM. Yes, let us find LCM. Yes, here root 3 means root 3 1. Here root 8 minus y means root it is. Isn't it? Suppose 3 means 3 by 1. 4 means 4 by 1. Root 2 means root 2 by 1. Let us write like that. Yes. Now, what is the LCM? Root 2 is the LCM. For this. That means 1 root 2, 1 root 2 is the LCM. Yes. 1, how many times goes to root 2? That is the important. 1 in root 2 times goes. Isn't it? 1 in root 2, how many times? Root 2 times. Root 2 into numerator. We have to multiply. Yes, root 3 into root 2 we have to multiply. That is, you see, 1 root 2 times root 2 into root 3 we have written here. Next, minus symbol, minus. Yes, root 2 how many times goes in root 2? Only one time. 1 into root 3y. Isn't it? Next minus is there. Yes, 1 how many times goes in root 2? Again root 2 times. Root 2 into 8y. Root 8y into root 2 is equal to 0. Isn't it? Now we have to carefully you have to do. See here, root 2 into root 3, root 2 into root 3 into root 2. How can we write root 3 into 2 we can write. That is equal to 6. Root 3 into 2, that is equal to 6. Yes, let us write here, yes, root 3 into 2, root 6 minus. Next, you see root 3y minus root 3y minus here what is root 8 into root 2 we have to multiply. Yes, here root 8 into root 2. How much? You see 8 into root 2, that is equal to 16. 16 means 4 square. Square and 4 root will be cancelled. 4 remains. Is it? Yes, we can write 4y. That is 4y is equal to 0. Like that we have to find out. Yes, what is here root, what is root 3 into x, root 3, root x, what is the x value? Minus root 3y, root 2, or x root 3y, root 3 into x, x value root minus root 3y by root 2, and this, and you see another one we forgot. See again, right? Let us write. Yes, here root 3 plus root 3 and minus root 3 will be cancelled. Only y remains. Isn't it? Yes, here plus root 3 and minus root 3 will be cancelled. Y remains. Y minus root 8y is equal to 0. Yes, here y minus root 2 will be. Isn't it? Here carefully see. Here what did we do? Root 3 x, in the place of x we have written minus root 3 y by root 2 minus 8 root 8y root 8y written is equal to 0. Here plus root 3 and minus root 3 will be, these will be cancelled, and y remains. Y written y by root 2 and minus root 8 y is equal to 0. That is written. But here what are we have to, if we want to subtract or add the fractions, what we have to do? We have to find LCM. Yes, find LCM. LCM is for this and this, root 2 is the LCM. Yes, root 2 in root 2 how many times goes? 1 time. 1y, y minus 1 how many times goes? Root 2 times goes. 1 in root 2 how many times goes? Root 2 times goes. That means in root 8 into root 2 x y as usual are not 0. Isn't it? Here already I said yes, y minus root 2 into root 2, root 8 into root 2, how much? Yes, root 8 into 2, that is equal to 16. That means 16 means 4 square. 4 square means square and root will be cancelled. 4 remains. Isn't it? Yes, 4 remains. Minus 4 and y. 4 remains and y is equal to s by root 2 is equal to 0. Isn't it? Yes. Now let us cross multiply. 0 means 0 by 1. 1 into y minus 4y, 4y. Root 2 into this side 0 into will be yes 0. Multiply 0 into root 2. How much? 0 into root 2? 0, because root 2 into 100 also 0, root 2 into 0 also 0, root 100 also 100 into 0 also 0. Whatever multiply with 0 is equal to 0. Yes, it is 0. Yes, y minus 4y is equal to 0. Therefore, plus y minus 4y will be, and plus y will be. Yes, minus 3y is equal to 0. Minus 3y is equal to 0. Yes, y value let us find 0. Minus 3y when goes to the other side, minus 3y means is minus 3 into y. Minus 3 into y. Here into y becomes denominator. Here into symbol is there. Into 3y minus 3 into y. Y we have to find out. Yes, minus 3 remained and into symbol will be, when comes to the other side, divided by minus 3. Again 0 minus 3 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 we found. Y is equal to 0. Now we have to find the x value. What is x value? X is equal you see, minus root 3y by root 3 by root 2. That is, you see, x is equal to minus root 3y by root 2. Yes, substitute x is equal to minus root 3. Y value how much? Into 0 by root 2. Yes, root 2 into 0, 0. With whatever we multiplied with 0, that is equal to 0. That is equal to 0 by root 2. That is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 0 and y is equal to also 0. Yes, are you able to understand? Now, what did we do? We did nothing. As usually we did here. But what is the problem here? It looked to be root 2's. Root 2's, just to be careful. That's enough. Yes, root 2x plus 3y is equal to 0. Yes, x value we have to find out means x included the root 2. Root 2x is equal to plus 3y goes to the other side, minus 3y. You see, when we are minus and add, what will be 0? When we multiply it only, then it will, when we multiply it with 0, then only it becomes 0. Yes. Yes, minus 3y becomes x is equal to minus 3y by 2. And second equation is there. Now what is the second equation? Root 3 into x minus root 8y is equal to 0. Root 3. In the x place, we have written root 3y by root 2. Minus root 8 into y, root 8y is equal to 0. Yes, let us see. Here, this is the fraction. It is not fraction. Root 3 means root 3 by 1. No. Root 8 means root 8 by 1. No. Generally we have to write so. So we have to, if we want to add the fractions or subtract, we have to find the LCM. What is the LCM? Root 2 is the LCM. Root 2 is the LCM. Yes, here denominator 1, denominator 1. Yes, in root 2, yes, here first of all, here root 3 and minus root 3, plus root 3 minus root 3. When we add, and this will be cancelled, minus y by root 2 here, minus 8y is equal to 0. Yes, we found here LCM root 2. Root 2 in root 2 one time, 1 by y minus s. Root 2 into root 1, how many times goes in root 2? Root 2 times. Root 2 into 8. Root 2 into 8 into y written. Root 2 into y, root 2, 8 into root 2 becomes how much? Root by 2, 8 2s are 16. 16 is 4 square. Square and root will be cancelled. 4 remains. Yes, 4y. Y minus 4y plus y minus 4y. Yes, by root 2. Cross multiplied. 1y, y, 1 minus 1 4y 4y. Root 2 into 0, root 0. Yes, y minus 4y is equal to 0. When we multiplied, 0 came. Yes, y minus 4y. And 4y is becomes minus value. 3y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 by minus 3 will be cancelled. It is y, anything 0 minus y is anything 0 by something is 0, isn't it? Yes, this y value we substituted in the x value. When y value is 0, when 0 written is 0, whatever may be multiplied 0. 0 by root, again root 2, again 0. X value 0 and y value also 0. Thank you very much.